Welcome, Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. I'm here again with my buddy Nolan.
Hello.
What are we going to go do?
I'm going to the shop.
We're gonna go to the shop. So Nolan posted his video of his first time welding, and he already has a job.
Yeah.
You already got a project. Who called you up and wanted you to do some work?
I did flowers.
You did a flower? But who called you and wanted you to work on a trailer?
Bubba.
Bubba?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna head to the shop and Nolan's gonna do his first welding job. You ready?
Yes.
Let's head to the shop. What are you doing, getting ready?
Yeah, ready.
Do you remember all this stuff to do?
Yes.
Okay. So on this receiver hitch, we're attaching it to the trailer. So you got to go left to right and left to right on the welds over here. And then on the inside there to the basket. And then on the outside over here, Nolan. And up and down. So you think you can do that for me?
Yes, Bubba.
All right.
Okay. See how you're getting the paint off?
Yes.
Over here. Do you remember what to do?
Yes.
What are you gonna do right there?
And again,
You turn the gas on
get gas on.
and you're off to the side, right?
Yes.
All right. What's next?
And
You gotta turn it on, right? Right there, good job. You gotta go up with it. All right. And then, what else you gotta do over here?
I don't know.
You gotta put the ground on, remember?
Yeah, going up.
Well, come on over here and put the ground clamp on. Do you remember which one that one is?
Yeah, no.
You know, I know. This one right here, remember?
Yeah, a metal.
And you put it on the metal. That's right, we'll put it right here. All right, you ready?
Yes.
You're gonna weld it right here, okay?
With trigger.
The trigger's right here. All right, bring it in here. You ready?
Yes.
Pull the trigger. Go back here. There you go. There you go. Looking good, buddy. Looking good. All right, then off the trigger. All right. All right, let's chip it off, remember?
Yeah.
Let's see. Think that'll hold?
Yes.
All right, you gotta do the other side. All right, you can do this one all by yourself, okay?
Okay.
All right. You see it?
Yeah.
All right, get in there.
I like it that.
All right, pull the trigger. You can drag it towards you. Drag it towards you. A little slower. There you go. Come on back. A little slower. Come on back. A little bit more. Come on back with it. Drag it back. No, backwards. All right. Let's check it out. Your hood fell off. Oh, that's not too bad. All right, pull the trigger. See how we're doing that? Pull the trigger. We're gonna work it like that. Keep pulling trigger. Keep going. You're not done yet. All right. Good job. Chip it off. Take your hood off. Chip it off. Right there.
Chip, 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 chip.
There you go. Good job.
Back here, Bubba.
You clean your welds?
Yeah.
Get that one on the other side. Right on. Think we should put some paint on there?
Yes. Hold on right here. That.
Get a little paint on there, make it look good.
But what you good shit?
Well, I had you weld this receiver hitch up there. You did a good job welding and cleaning and painting.
Mm-hmm.
So we can make this bumper dumper.
Yes.
A bumper dumper.
Uh-huh.
Hey, every good welder is gonna test out his welds.
Yeah.
You better sit on there and make sure it doesn't break. You gotta sit down on it. Sit down like you're dropping a deuce. Get all the way on there.
I get it.
Sit all the way on there. We gotta make sure your welds aren't gonna break. There you go. We get a thumbs up. Bumper dumper welding. Good job, Nolan.
Yeah,
That was your first job. You got hired out to do a job. What do you think of that?
real cool.
That's cool.
Yep.
Check it out. What'd you make there?
Welding.
You did some welding.
Mm-hmm.
You made a bumper dumper.
Yes.
Right on. Thank y'all for watching Turnin and Burnin. And you did a good job, Nolan. You have anything you want to tell everybody out there on YouTube?
Subscribe the color.
Subscribe and comment below.
Mm-hmm.
What should they comment?
I don't know. You come here to burning.
Just comment to Turnin and Burnin.
Yes, Bubba.
And Bubba.
Yeah.
You know what I think they should do?
Mm-hmm.
They should go to rowdyroosterapparel.com and check out your merch. What do you think of that?
Yes.
I think that would be awesome.
Uh-huh.
Well, you know what, Nolan?
Right.
We're not gonna drag up, but we're gonna roll on up out of here to another video, right?
Mm-hmm.
Peace.
Peace.
Dude, where'd you get that shirt?
Bottom of the hell.
Rowdy Rooster Apparel?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, that's where I got my shirt. Did we just become best friends?
Yes.